Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm David, and I'll take you through the updates for SOLIDWORKS Plastics. Preparing your injection molding simulations is now faster and more intuitive in SOLIDWORKS Plastics 2020. You can now define more setup criteria and parameters directly in the 3D model without the need to first mesh any geometry. Domains define the physical elements of your design and are used by SOLIDWORKS Plastics to define what to simulate on each component. You can now simply right-click and define these domains from the plastic study prior to meshing any of the geometry. Likewise, boundary conditions define the functional parameters of your simulation, such as the injection location into your cavities, including plastic flow rates, the clamp force and shut-off direction of the mold, and cooling inputs and outputs to define the cooling parameters of the injection molding process. Just like domains, these boundary conditions can now be applied directly to the three-dimensional model without the need to first mesh any of the geometry. This saves you time in setting up your plastic simulations, and also allows the domains and boundary conditions to update when changes are made to the 3D model. In summary, we now have a more simplified workflow with new geometry-based boundary conditions, including clamping forces, air vents, exclude from warp, filled hot runner and coolant inputs. And we have geometry-based domains, cavity, runner, insert, cooling channel and mold. All this makes it faster to set up plastic studies.